Now the stage is set at Radio City Music Hall for the 67th annual Tony Awards, honoring Broadway's best and brightest. Musical Kinky Boots leads with 13 nominations. The show is based on the 2005 British movie about a real-life shoe factory that struggles until it finds new life in fetish footwear. Singer-songwriter Cyndi Lauper is behind the lyrics. This is her first time writing for Broadway. She calls the experience special.
It's great to be part of this season. It really is. And it's because of Harvey Fierstein. He took me under his wing, and although he dubbed me Christina, when he was Mommy Dearest, he's like, Christina, where are the lyrics? But he's awesome.
Cyndi Lauper will also perform during the awards show. It airs this Sunday at 8 o'clock right here on 10 TV.